Good morning students. Today we are going to start question 7, that is rewrite in simplest form. This we have done in our 6th class also. And simplest form means reduce to lowest terms. जितना reduce हो सकता है same factor से उतना हम reduce करेंगे, cut करेंगे. You know 8 and 6 both are divisible by 2. So on dividing by 2, what you will get? You will get 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, minus 9 as it is. Is it clear? Now same way, these both are divisible by 5. So 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are 45. So you will get the answer 5 upon 9. Same is here 44 and 72. You may divide directly by 4 or first by 2 then again by 2. So if you will divide 4 by 4, you will get 4 11s are 44, sign negative, 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 1, 18 are 72. And in same way divide this by 2, both are divisible, numerator as well as denominator should be divisible by same factor. So 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, and 4 by 5 is not further divisible, so this will be the answer. This is the way to do simplest form. Now question number 10, ascending order. But you know I have shown in previous class also कि what do you mean by 3 by 5? First clear this. Suppose you have a pizza and equal pieces. Fraction means equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces are there. So 3 means 3 are given to you. 3 upon 5. Is it clear? But so among 1 by 5, 2 by 5 and 3 by 5, these are in ascending order. But when I talk of negative terms, negative means integers, so minus 3, this is ground floor, this is ground floor, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. तो minus 3 क्या है? सबसे नीचे है, सबसे छोटा है. Is it clear? फिर minus 2 और minus 1 क्या होता है? Biggest integers, largest negative integer. Negative की अगर हम बात करें तो minus 1 सबसे बड़ा होता है. So here which will be the smallest? Minus 3 upon 5. Then smallest to greatest we have to move because it is ascending order. Minus 2 upon 5 and minus 1 upon 5. They had already given. Answer was with you only. Now second is minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 9, minus 4 by 3. You know whenever the denominators are different, you have to find LCM. Which is the greatest number? 9. तो 9 सब में divisible है. तो first I will change into like fraction. Instead of doing ascending order, I am going to change into like fraction. कैसे करते हैं? डिनोमिनेटर को 9 बनाना है. 3 3s are 9, तो माइनस न्यूमिनेटर को भी 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. इट विल बिकम माइनस 3 अपॉन 9. सेकेंड आपका माइनस 2 अपॉन 9 दिया ही हुआ है, सो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1, माइनस 2 अपॉन 9. और माइनस 4 अपॉन 3 को कैसे 9 बनेगा डिनोमिनेटर में? when you will multiply by 3. So you will also have to multiply numerator by 3. You will get minus 12 upon 9. So these are the 3 terms. Now out of these 3 you can well see which is the smallest, which will be the bottommost, minus 12. So in ascending order, minus 12 upon 9, then minus 3 upon 9, then minus 2 upon 9. And see, it was which rational number? Minus 4 by 3. ये किसका था? minus 1 upon 3 and minus 2 upon 9. This is our answer. This is ascending order. Is it clear? And third part also I am doing. Now in third part, you see, you may do by changing into like fraction. Means आप 7 2 4 का LCM लो 28 और इस तरह से कर सकते हो. Okay, now one thing more. Here numerator is equal. Is it clear? And denominator are different. So I am showing you through fraction method कि what does 3/7 means. कि ये एक है हमारे पास, इसके 7 parts की है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 equal parts and 3, suppose 3/7. It means 3 parts are given. Okay, now same size pizza is there and now mama divides into 2 parts and 3/2 is given. Is it clear? So 3/2 is improper fraction. You will get, when you will change, you will get 1/2. It means there were 2 pizzas, okay, and mama divided into 2 parts. 3/2 means 1/2, 1 part, second part, and this is third part. So 1 complete pizza and half of other pizza. Is it clear? So you see and see this, which is greater? This is greater. यहाँ आपको ज्यादा pieces मिले हैं इसके comparison में. और 3/4 अगर हम माइनस कंसिडर ना करें, 3/4 मीन्स 4 पार्ट्स और ये 3 पार्ट्स आपको मिले. तो सबसे बड़ा पार्ट कहाँ मिला है? दिस इज, देन दिस 3/4 एंड देन कम्स 3/7. तो जब भी न्यूमिरेटर ग्रेटर, जब न्यूमिरेटर सेम हो और तो हमारा केस उल्टा हो गया. वाई? क्योंकि नीचे जो है डिनोमिनेटर जो है, व्हाट आर डिनोमिनेटर रिप्रेजेंट? इट रिप्रेजेंट नंबर ऑफ पीसेस. आपकी फैमिली में जितने ज्यादा मेंबर्स होंगे उतने आपको क्या मिलेगा? स्मॉल पीस मिलेगा. इज इट क्लियर? सो आई हैव शोन यू थ्रू दिस फिगर्स आल्सो हाउ इट shows. Is it clear? Because 3/2 is improper, first I changed into mixed 1/2. तो मम्मी ने 2 पिज्जाज लिए, एक के 2 पार्ट्स किए और दोनों ही दे दिए 1 मीन्स कंप्लीट होल एंड हाफ मीन्स नेक्स्ट का हाफ करके. तो यहाँ सबसे बड़ा मिला. वी हैव टू चेंज इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. सो 3/7 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट पार्ट, -3/7. देन comes this is -3 but it is now negative. हमारे पास नेगेटिव नंबर्स है तो हमारा सबसे छोटा कौन सा आ गया? -3/2. बिकॉज द केस इज नेगेटिव, हम उतने नीचे जा रहे हैं. देन कम्स -3/4 एंड देन कम्स -3/7. व्हाई? क्योंकि अगर ये फ्रैक्शन है तो 3/2 सबसे बड़ा है. और जब नेगेटिव होता है, इंटीजर्स होता है, आई हैव शोन थ्रू दिस ऑल्सो स्टेयर्स में -1 ये ग्राउंड लेवल है, -1 सबसे ऊपर, फिर -2, फिर -3. इज इट क्लियर? तो जितना बड़ा फ्रैक्शन में अगर ये पार्ट बड़ा है तो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर नेगेटिव में, इंटीजर्स में, नेगेटिव में, पॉजिटिव में ये बड़ा है और नेगेटिव में ये सबसे कहाँ चला जाएगा? डाउन. Is it clear? So this is your ascending order. That's all for today. You have to do question number 7th and 10th of exercise 9.1 in your notebooks. Thank you. Have a nice day.